Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. It's Surah Baqarah, verse number 3 and 4, where Allah says it's a book of guidance for Muttaqeens. And in the next verse, Allah describes the qualities of Muttaqeens. I will highlight 3 qualities here. So, number 1 quality Allah describes is that who believe in the unseen. It's very important because the people who are not among Muttaqeens, they usually believe in what they see and what they know, and will not believe what they don't see and do not know. So, the quality of a muttaqi is that he believes in the unseen. He says, okay, I don't know about it, but maybe it is true. And what I know already, maybe it's not true. So, his mind is already open for the things that, okay, what I don't know for now, maybe while reading for a few days, for a few months, I would know more. And yes, that thing can be true. Like in day-to-day life, when a normal person, for example, we are in a flight and someone told that there is bomb fixed in this plane, so they will tell you to quickly evacuate the plane. And when everything is fine, then we are told that just come back and sit to your seats. So in day-to-day life, we are very conscious about these things, but when it comes to religion, when Allah is averring about Jahannam, about his punishment, then we are not sure about it and we take very lightly these things. We are not more conscious. We don't take precautions. The second quality is that he establishes prayer. It doesn't mean that he prays every day. It means that he doesn't take his prayer lightly. He offers prayers at the correct time. When it's the Dhuhr time, when it starts, he immediately offers that prayer. He doesn't delay his prayers. He doesn't take lightly his prayers. And whoever is not praying, he suggests, he advises those people to pray and advises them that it is not the thing that you should take lightly. Number third thing, and Allah says, and spend out what we have provided for them in our way. It means that he already know that whatever I have is given to me from my Lord. So I will spend it in the way of Allah. Means I will give charity. I will give zakat. I will provide sustenance to my family, to my wife, to my children. And I will give charity to people, to poor ones. So while spending his money that he already know is not his money, is of Allah's, he always remember Allah whenever he has to spend his money. So instead of spending his money on unnecessary things, he spends his money on paying the tuition fee of a poor Muslim kid, or spend his money in Muslim media, because today we have very less mainstream media that covers the truth, that shows the truth of the Muslim community to the world. So this is how a Muslim can become a muttaqi.